In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design social media banner in Figma. We'll keep it straightforward by using a ready-made template from the Figma community, bringing it into your own file and setting you up to customize it for your brand. Start by heading to figma.com in your browser or opening the Figma desktop app. Make sure you're in the design workspace so you can quickly access the resources you need. From there, open the community. This is Figma's built-in library of files shared by creators around the world. It's an easy way to jumpstart your design with layouts, components, and complete banner sets that you can adapt. In the community search bar, type social media banner. Use simple keywords like that to see a wide range of results. You'll notice different styles, color systems, and platform-specific sizes. If you already know the platform you're designing for, scan the thumbnails and titles for clues like Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn to find a good fit. When you see a template you like, click it to open its detail page. Take a moment to preview the frames and read the description so you understand what's included. Look for templates that list multiple sizes or flexible components because those make customization easier. If the preview looks right for your needs, click Open in Figma. This will duplicate the file into your drafts or open it directly so you can work with it. If prompted to choose between the browser and the desktop app, pick whichever you're currently using. Inside the template, select the banner design you want. It might be a single frame or a set of frames. Make sure you select the entire frame so you grab all the layers at once. Then copy it with Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Copying the full frame helps preserve layout, constraints, and effects so everything pastes cleanly. Now switch to your project file, the one where you want this banner to live. Paste the design with Ctrl+V or Command+V. You'll see the frame appear with all of its styles intact. From here, you can rename the frame, align it with your existing artboards, and begin tailoring it to your content by swapping images, editing text, and adjusting colors and typography to match your brand. That's all it takes. Open Figma, explore the community, find a social media banner you like, open it, copy the frame, and paste it into your project. With this workflow, you get a professional starting point in minutes so you can focus your time on refining the details that make your banner uniquely yours.